Hello everyone, thank you very much for stopping by. I'm Vanila and I welcome you to watch this video where I'm showing something that I've made, which is a crochet crop top, which is transparent. As you can see through the skin, you can see through the bra, white bra, and as you can see it's transparent, it's rainbowish color. I've got jeans on, denim jeans and high heels. I hope you like it. And let's make some fun by let's turn on the music. Thank you very much for watching and having fun with me in this video, and I'm sending to you lots of love in return for likes and subscribing. So thank you very much for visiting me, and see you soon in my next videos. Love you.